My name is Jaime Vela. Yesterday I posted a video. I had a problem with this 2x72 belt grinder that I bought from Reader Products. I bought the motor from Amazon. It's a Hallmark Industry 3-phase AC motor. Also from Amazon was the AC motor speed control, which is the VFD KBAC 27D. Put it together. It took me about a month and a half to 2 months before I got everything put together. But yesterday I started it for the first time, and I had a problem with it. I posted that video on YouTube, and I didn't know if it was the motor or the VFD. Someone replied to me. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name. So off the top of my head, I can't remember. Anyway, well, I want to thank that person for replying to me and telling me what he thought the problem would be. He said that he had a similar problem. So I did. He told me to change the jumper J10 from constant to variable, or vice versa. Mine was on constant. I changed it to variable torque and started right up, and that was the problem. It was no problem at all. It seems to run great. So the reason I'm posting this is because with that other video, people might think that the Reader grinder might not be a good grinder, but this is my first grinder. I've never had one before. I had a 1x30 Harbor Freight. I think a lot of us start off with something like that. I got this. Actually, it was a Christmas present by my wife. That was awesome. And it is an awesome grinder. It has different attachments, which I haven't got yet, but I will be getting them. But I don't see nothing. I don't understand why there's not more videos about this grinder, because it's such a nice grinder. So I'm just going to start it up real quick for you here. Right here it's flat. That's 1/8, 1095 high carbon steel. I don't know if you can see that. I don't see any problem with it. I'm really happy with it. I want to thank Don Reader for this grinder. I think he did a great job. I think that for the price, for a beginner coming into a grinder like this, I know there's more expensive ones, and probably, I don't know if they're better or not, because this is my first one, but I don't see where I can need anything else. Besides the other attachments, like maybe a 10-inch contact wheel or the little wheels, you know, but this is an awesome grinder. I want to show you something. It's actually a beautiful grinder, but it does what it's supposed to do. All right, folks. I also got the reverse button for it, the power in, power out, off and on switch. I got that also. I'm up and running now. I'm really excited. I think it's an awesome grinder. Talk to you guys later.